Hello, it's me, Nobby. I got flu, don't care. No, it's not swine flu. I hope. Anyway, you got molexfan, and you wanna install this on-off switch for it. So, it's very simple. I'll demonstrate it with my old fan. Well, your fan looks something like this. You don't need to touch this black wire, just cut this red wire and connect this on-off switch to this thing, this zero side to the molex side and fan side to this one side, which means on side. And voila, now it should work. Anyway, this red wire is wait a sec, I got to check. Yeah, this red wire is 5 volts and the yellow wire is 12 volts. It's same do you install this on-off switch to red or yellow wire, cause if you use this red wire, which is 5 volts, your fan will spin lower, and if you install that switch to this yellow wire, your fan will spin faster. Actually, it's very simple to change between 5 and 12 volts also later. There is just inside here is clip, just push it and pull this cable off and change places with this other cable. Well, have a fun with your molexfan with on-off switch. I hope this video is good enough. I don't wanna do it again. See ya!